What if the stars were guiding your green thumb all along? Yes, the succulent you chose might just be written in your stars. Some say it's coincidence, but what if your plants actually reflect your personality? Let's explore the most suspiciously accurate succulents according to each zodiac sign. By the end, you might just start believing your houseplants know more about you than you think. Lipstick, echeveria, and zebra plant mirror Aries' fire and flair. These bold, striking succulents don't blend in. They stand out, just like the fearless and energetic ram. Their vivid shapes and vibrant tones reflect your desire to lead and blaze trails, no matter where you're planted. Snake plant and ponytail palm perfectly suit the grounded and determined nature of a Taurus. Strong, slow-growing, and dependable, they quietly thrive with a calming presence. Just like you, they also tolerate neglect, mirroring your unwavering patience and inner strength. Bunny ears cactus has the dual charm and curious appeal that every Gemini can relate to. It's quirky, eye-catching, and always manages to steal attention. Exactly how you move through a crowd. Friendly to look at, but with a little edge. It keeps things interesting. Holiday cactus and pencil cactus capture the emotional, home-loving spirit of Cancer. While one blooms during special times and needs care, the other thrives quietly on its own. Together they symbolize your duality, gentle yet resilient, always loyal and deeply rooted. Yellow ice plant, golden sedum, and echeveria coppertone are as radiant and joyful as any Leo. These are the showstoppers of the succulent world, just like you. With their fiery hues and glowing charm, they demand attention and light up any space they grace. Jade plant and aloe vera represent the practical and nurturing side of Virgo. They're efficient, multi-purpose, and quietly supportive, exactly how you show up for others. These clean, symmetrical succulents reflect your love for order, detail, and healing energy. Baby necklace succulent and bear's paw speak to Libra's harmony and elegance. These plants are not only balanced in form, but their softness and symmetry make them the perfect visual expression of grace. Just like you, they bring beauty and peace wherever they grow. Neohenricia, black sempervivum, and crown of thorns match Scorpio's mystery and intensity. With dark tones, bold textures, and a little bite. These succulents aren't for the faint-hearted. They hint at your deep nature, loyal, intense, and quietly powerful. Dragon's blood and crown of thorns are fiery and unbothered, just like the adventurous Sagittarius. These daring succulents have bold colors and strong personalities, symbolizing your need for excitement, truth, and a life lived outside the lines. Agave is as determined and enduring as a Capricorn, known for its slow growth and rock-solid structure. It thrives with consistency, no shortcuts, no drama, just like you. It's a symbol of quiet power, discipline, and unmatched reliability. Hoya and lithops are unconventional, unique, and full of surprises, just like Aquarius. These aren't your average succulents. Hoya climbs and flows freely, while lithops look like living stones. These plants remind us that being different isn't weird, it's revolutionary. Blue chalk sticks, Buddha's temple, and jelly bean plants look like they're from a dream. And that's Pisces in a nutshell. Soft, surreal, and deeply calming. They reflect your compassionate and creative soul. These succulents are visual poetry in plant form. So, was your plant match too accurate to ignore? Maybe your next succulent isn't a choice, it's a cosmic calling. If you felt seen or maybe even spooked by these plant predictions, hit that like button and subscribe, because in our garden, the stars always have something to say.